Hi everyone, good morning. This video will be without my face, but you know me, so let's talk about current trading situations. I want to share some ideas about gold, silver, American indexes, and look here. This is American dollar with a gold, and you see a range on 1 hour chart. It looks like price may still test 1795, and what I'm gonna look at is this level 1790, because look here, this is level of resistance, a good one. It begins from April 19th. What do you think about that? This is a really good level of resistance. This means that if they in future couple of hours make a rebound, it will give us an entry point to sell up to 1775. Yes, of course, 1805 is still a good level of resistance and they may test it. But what I look at is the daily chart, and it looks like they may still stay in a little range. It's not like a good buy signal or a good sell signal on daily chart. They are still deciding what to do. So what I'm gonna do, and for gold, for other instruments, I will look at American dollar index. If they break this level of resistance 91.30 and they go up to 91.50, 91.59, so it means that I can sell gold a little bit. Okay, so it looks like a good idea for me right now. Okay, so what next? For American dollar index, we discussed that it still may go above 91.33 and they will go to 91.55. If they break this tendency and go down, look, they break this 91.27, they test 91.12, after that they may test 91.30 again. So right now there is no good sell or buy signal on daily chart. There is no good buy or sell signal on 4-hour chart. That is why I'm trying to find something intraday that we can use and trade. Also, what I look at is this resistance 1805. But I don't see good opportunity to buy right now. That is why I feel like they may give us a rebound from here. So this is some good level of resistance. Okay, now we go back to these charts and we go to silver. What I told you about silver, and this is something that I'm gonna follow, is this picture under 2620. Under this area 2620, I'm going to be ready to sell up to 2570. Under 2570, I will try to sell up to 2525. If you go on daily chart, you will see that there is no tendency, there is no good trading opportunity to have a trading signal. Why? Because look here, they are in a Shimoku cloud. If they stay here in Shimoku cloud, it's not giving us a good trading signal. It means that they are in a range, and if you look at it with your eyes, yes, they are in a range. In a range, right now we know we should exclude all tendencies because in a range they don't work. If you look at a daily chart like this, yes, it looks like they may go further up. They may go, but there is no good signal. So what I feel like to do is to go down under 2620. If you ask me if either I'm ready to buy, right now, no. Right now, there is no signal to buy for me. Maybe in 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, I will check if they go through this level of resistance. Look here, this level of resistance, 2660. If they go through this level of resistance, we may think about buying this instrument. But right now, on current time, it looks good to sell, only to sell under 2620, no other idea. Maybe if they break this level of resistance, we'll buy later. If you go to Brent, I want to congratulate you because it's still going up and your target is 70, either 71.30, but no other idea. We got good entry point, we made a good deal, and right now, well, actually you can quit your deal, or if you have time, just wait for it. We got good entry point, we did it. So this was your target, 70 level. And talking about 71.30 is just something that we can't predict for today because there is no good technical reason to wait for that level right today. Well, so there is no good technical reason to trade right now, you know. We got a good entry point, that's it. So now we gotta quit and wait for other moments. For euro dollar, what I should pay attention to is a 1.1970 area. You know that we have a lot of news today from America, from Eurozone, from England, and I would say that they may test this level of support, 1.1970, and when they test it and not break, this may be a good entry point for long positions. So pay attention to 1.1970 intraday, even, you know, like on 15-minute chart, I go through this kind of picture. They're trying to show you a good buy signal, but I think this is a fake signal. And they will easily break it and go to 1.1970 right here. So this is my trading idea for future couple of hours. I'm not sure if it's going to work, but I hope so. And of course, we pay attention to American dollar index. If they break this level of resistance, we are going to sell gold and also act with the euro dollar. So I hope it will help you. About the Ethereum, you know, still that I'm in long positions, and my target was 3,600, but now I changed it to 3,730, and it's still good. So my congratulations, it's still going up. And how I make this tendency, I take the maximum price of the beginning of May. I take one more maximum price of the beginning of May. I draw this tendency, and it gives me the highest point where they will go, like this. So 3,735, this is the level where they're going to go right now. I hope it will help you to make some good trading decisions. For S&P 500, I don't think it's still good to keep our long positions, but in general, they did not show us sell signal actually. General, no. That, you know, if we're talking about opportunity to to earn money intraday, I don't like those instruments right now. I don't like S&P 500, either Dow Jones or NASDAQ. This is not the best technical situation right now. So I would give you an advice, or I just share my opinion. Look, for NASDAQ, I'm in market right now and I follow this area. If they break it, I'm gonna quit this instrument, and I'm not gonna enter it today or tomorrow. I'm gonna wait for a good trading signal. So yeah, I don't like it today. In the beginning of May, it's not something that I would advise you to trade. I want to see better level of support for all those indexes before we buy it again. I feel like they may give us lower prices before they go up. So this is something that I want to wait for, and when there will be a good trading moment, I will share it with you here on YouTube. But right now, neither for DAX, for Nikkei, there is nothing really good that I want to enter market with. Something for gold, yes. For Ethereum, yes. For American dollar index, yes. For gold, yes. For silver, yes. And not for indexes right now. If we discuss situation from the point of view that we enter market and earn intraday, I don't really like it. Sometimes they give a good entry point, but this is not a rule that it will work, you know. This is not a rule, because like right now I showed you tendency and it worked. But this is not a rule that it would work and I can say like use it next time. No, it's not like that right now. So my advice for all indexes is to wait for a better trading time. What also I want you to pay attention to is this instrument, Great Britain Pound with the Japanese yen, because well, there is no good trading signal to sell or to buy right now, but they don't react on level of resistance. They test it, and they don't react it. So it looks like they still may go to 155, and this is something that you have to follow from day to day. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, we got to be ready for action to buy this instrument. Okay, so for Japanese yen, I don't have good trading signals right now. Please remember that they were on vacation, those were holidays, and it's not okay to trade right now for this instrument. No good trading signal. For Great Britain Pound with the Japanese yen, okay, we kind of see what to do. For Canadian dollar, yes, it's all perfect. It all goes to our targets. 122, 121.60. So this is something that still may work. Why? Because on daily chart there is no buy signal. So price is ready to go down, 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 and there is no buy signal right now. If we check for our chart, you may see that level of support was broken, and now they test it as a level of resistance. If they stay under 122.80, they will go to 121.60, like this. So the most important idea is that under 122.80 we gotta sell with the target 121.60. Okay, so this is something that I wanted to share with you in the beginning of a Thursday. I hope you like it, and of course press thumbs up and share my video with your traders colleagues, and I see you later. Bye bye.